What covers most of the Earth's surface? The options are A. Land, B. Ice, C. Water. The correct answer is water. What do fish use to breathe underwater? The options are A. Gills, B. Wings, C. Tails. The correct answer is gills. What is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature? The options are A. Mercury, B. Gallium, C. Sodium. The correct answer is mercury. Which organ in the human body can regenerate itself? The options are A. Liver, B. Heart, C. Kidney. The correct answer is liver. Which is the hardest natural substance on Earth? The options are A. Diamond, B. Quartz, C. Sapphire. The correct answer is diamond. Which bird is known to have the fastest wing beat? The options are A. Hummingbird, B. Swift, C. Bee-eater. The correct answer is hummingbird. What type of celestial object is the Sun? The options are A. Star, B. Planet, C. Asteroid. The correct answer is star. Which natural phenomenon is measured by the Richter scale? The options are A. Earthquakes, B. Hurricanes, C. Tornadoes. The correct answer is earthquakes. Which animal can survive both in water and on land? The options are A. Amphibian, B. Mammal, C. Reptile. The correct answer is amphibian. Which blood cells help our body fight infections? The options are A. White blood cells, B. Red blood cells, C. Platelets. The correct answer is white blood cells. Which scientist proposed the theory of general relativity? The options are A. Albert Einstein, B. Isaac Newton, C. Nikola Tesla. The correct answer is Albert Einstein. What makes a rainbow? The options are A. Stars, B. Moonlight, C. Sunlight and rain. The correct answer is sunlight and rain. What is Earth's natural satellite? The options are A. Mars, B. Sun, C. Moon. The correct answer is Moon. Which element is represented by the symbol Au? The options are A. Gold, B. silver, C. copper. The correct answer is gold. Which insect is the main pollinator of flowers? The options are A, bee, B, butterfly, C, beetle. The correct answer is B. Which part of the human brain controls balance? The options are A, cerebellum, B, cerebrum, C, brainstem. The correct answer is cerebellum. What is the process of water changing into vapor called? The options are A, evaporation, B, condensation, C, precipitation. The correct answer is evaporation. Which metal is essential in making stainless steel? The options are A, chromium, B, aluminium, C, lead. The correct answer is chromium. Which is the largest organ in the human body? The options are A, skin, B, liver, C, lungs. The correct answer is skin. Which type of star explodes in a supernova? The options are A, massive star, B, red dwarf, C, white dwarf. The correct answer is massive star. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to Fajura IQ for more fun quizzes.